Place dish sponges on a cutting board and put them in the freezer. You'll be pleasantly surprised how simple this is. Prepare regular dish sponges. It's best to use brand new ones. The bigger, the better. Put them in the sink. Get a cutting board ready next to it. Turn on the water and soak the sponges. Soak each one so it absorbs as much water as possible. Place each sponge on the board one by one. Don't worry if they drip. Don't wring them out. Use only cold water. Once all the sponges are soaked, arrange them on the board so they don't touch each other. Put the board with the sponges into the freezer. After a few hours, the sponges will be frozen. Then take them out. You'll see they're completely frozen. Prepare small plastic bags. Pack each sponge in a separate bag. Tie each one closed. Cut off the tips of the bags. These little packs are useful when you've taken meat out of the freezer. The sponges work like ice packs for a cooler. You can wrap frozen food with them and take it with you. No worries about it thawing on the way. With this trick, you can easily transport frozen food when needed.